Salametsizbir.
Salametsizbir. Welcome to your Kazakh language lesson. Are you ready to learn?
Yes.
Not yes, you should say iya.
Iya.
Great. So this month is a great time in Kazakhstan when we usually celebrate Nowruz, the Kazakh traditional New Year celebration. Now let's learn some important phrases used during Nowruz. For example, you can say Nowruz qutlu bolsun.
Nowruz
qutlu bolsun.
Navruz kutlu bolsun.
Өте жақсы, meaning happy Nowruz. When you visit someone's house, you can also say Ulus oң bolsun, ақ мол bolsun.
Olus on bolsun, ak bolsun,
Mol bolsun.
mol bolsun.
Right, which means wishing success and prosperity for the new year. Let's put it all together.
Naruz kutlu bolsun, ulus on bolsun, ak mol bolsun. Happy Naruz. Phew, we did it.
Yeah, great job, you did it. Nowruz qutlu bolsun.